Let's make our classes come alive. In today's video, I'll share 4 immersive ESL activities that make your students feel part of the lesson, not just sit through it. These are practical, easy to set up, and you can try them with little or no prep. Let's go. First, virtual field trips. You can take your students anywhere in the world without leaving the classroom. I bet you know that. Go to Google Earth Voyages or 360 cities or National Geographic virtual tours and pick a location and explore it together. While exploring, ask questions like these. What's the first thing you notice here? Would you want to visit this place in real life? Why or why not? Describe what you see using, for example, 5 adjectives. What do you think people eat or wear in this place? What do you think people are feeling right now? Then, this is optional, but you can give them a quick writing follow-up. For example, write a postcard from this place. I think it would be really nice. How about we make our English class feel like an adventure? I mean, literally. If you've never tried a digital escape room, it's such a fun way to review vocabulary, grammar, reading, or any topic you're currently teaching. You don't have to build one from scratch. There are tons of ready-to-use options online, and here are a few great places to start. They combine story, challenge, and teamwork to make learning English active and exciting. Students solve clues, read instructions, collaborate, and all in English. That's exactly what we want. This one's fun. Role play missions. Give your students a role and a problem to solve. For example, you're at a restaurant, but your order is wrong. What do you say to the waiter? You lost your passport at the airport. Explain your situation. You're a tour guide showing visitors around your city. Describe 3 places. You're interviewing for your dream job. Answer the first question. Tell me about yourself. Oh my God, I hate that question. You're calling customer service to complain about a broken product. Students act it out in pairs or small groups using the target vocabulary or grammar you're teaching. By the way, if you'd like more topics like these, I actually put together a full set of 16 role play ideas. You'll find the link in the description. One of my favorite ideas is something I call interactive story quests. All you need are a few pictures. Show your students a photo and tell them, you wake up in this place. What do you do first? Maybe it's a mysterious forest or a luxurious castle or even a messy kitchen. Students describe what they see, make choices, and solve small tasks along the way. You can turn it into a full story, and this is what I like to do by showing different images as scenes. So for example, scene 1, I show them a dark cave. Here students describe it. Then we'll go to scene 2. I show them 2 tunnels and they choose which one to enter. Then this leads them to scene 3 where they face a monster. They must answer 3 questions I've already prepared for them to defeat it. It's basically a story-based escape room, but easier, faster, and more flexible. Here are more scenarios to consider that I've tried with my students and they loved it, and I think your students will love it too. So that's it. 4 simple ways to make your lessons more immersive without, adding to your workload. I know, I feel you. Try one of these this week and tell me how your students react. I love creating fun, low prep activities for busy teachers, and you'll find some of my favorites in my TBT store linked below. Thank you for being with me today. I'll see you in the next one.